In this video, you'll learn how to use multi-step reasoning in Kimi AI. This guide will help you navigate the interface and effectively utilize its features for complex queries. Begin by accessing Kimi AI, open your web browser, and enter the URL for Kimi AI. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface with various options available for interaction. Ensure your internet connection is stable to avoid interruptions during this process. Next, locate the section labeled Model on the interface. Click on it to view the different available models. This action will direct you to a new screen displaying your options. Here, you can choose the model best suited for your needs. Make sure to check that your browser is not blocking any pop-ups, as this may affect your ability to see all options. After that, select the option labeled K2, 5 Thinking. This model is designed for enhanced reasoning capabilities. Once you click on it, the screen will refresh, indicating that you have successfully selected the K2. 5 model. It is important to choose the right model to take full advantage of multi-step reasoning. Then proceed by clicking on the option for deep thinking for complex questions. This feature allows the AI to process more intricate queries. After selecting this option, you should see a confirmation that you are now using the deep thinking capabilities. This step is crucial for handling complex data effectively. Now click on the area labeled Prompt. This is where you will input your query. Once you click on it, a text box will appear, allowing you to type your question. Ensure that your question is clear and specific to gain the most accurate results from the AI. Type in your prompt, for example, give me data about the release of movies for the next year. After entering your question, double check for any typos or errors that may affect the AI's understanding. Once you are satisfied with your input, look for the option to submit your query, which will typically be a button labeled Submit or similar. Wait for Kimi AI to generate the results based on your input. Depending on the complexity of your query and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Observe the loading indicator or progress bar to track the generation process. Once the results are ready, they will appear on the screen ready for your review. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.